everyone to the Lober Passive Remediation site. Sewickley Creek Water Association in association with Bob Hedden's environmental group has undertaken a project over the past few years to work on the mine discharge in this area, and we have reclaimed 4,000 tons of sludge, and over this past year 400 tons have been kept out of the Yock from the Sewickley, and so we think this is a very good representation of environmental reclamation within the Sewickley Creek watershed.
It's been very exciting watching this project change from just being a pond and mud and iron oxide that built up for many, many years, to see the different stages, now to see what it actually is doing. Clean water that is flowing back into Sewickley and then finally back into the Yock. There are so many partners that have been involved in this. DEP, the Westmoreland Conservation District, the local DEP reps, WPCAMR, the Western Pennsylvania Conservancy, Bob Hedden Environmental, also iron oxide recovery, the local townships, just everybody. And we work together to make this project a real project.
Okay, well, the system works remarkably well. You know, we've removed 99% of the iron here for 2.5 years now, and there's no sign that it's getting worse. We're accumulating all the iron in the ponds the way we wanted to. In fact, I like to think that every minute this system is accumulating about 1.5 pounds of iron, keeping it out of Sewickley Creek and out of the Youghiogheny. So when we're done here, we'll measure this presentation in terms of iron retained in the system instead of minutes. But the neat thing here is that we've got issues here now, but now the issues are ones we never thought we'd have. The issues are muskrats interfering with our wetland. The issues are muskgrass, a native algae that has overwhelmed our system and has killed some of the plants that we had planted in here originally. We've had issues with too many cattails, now not enough cattails. We have biological issues, and that's kind of a neat problem to have here. When it used to be, we had a problem with chemical pollution and the stream quality. Even with all those issues, though, the quality of the water going into the creek has been maintained and has been great. And we see the waterfowl in here. We had two swans who overwintered here this year. So we just got to keep it going, and it's great to be recognized. It's great to see, hopefully the DEP will continue to support building more systems like this so we can build more and more and more passive, self-sustaining systems like this.
Well, I'm Ken Bowman. I'm the Regional Director with DEP Southwest Field Operations, and it certainly is an honor to be here today. But it's truly a privilege to be here on behalf of Governor Rendell and Secretary Hanger to recognize this very worthy project and the hard work that has gone into it by the folks that are represented here. And I'm a terrible one for all the names, so I'll keep that short. But this site is truly amazing. I understand that suspended solids have been reduced by about 1 million pounds a year. Wetland habitat, and then I can see the wildlife is already on the ponds. It's great. Saving some money on disposal costs. I understand we have a recycling operation through American Oxide, or iron oxide recovery, so that's great. That we're reusing something that would have normally just gone into the stream and be lost, and of course degrade the stream. The unique thing about this is, from all the applications received, you were one of 9 that were selected. And some of the factors that went into it are, of course, environmental protection, public service, environmental education and outreach. That's part of this. Pollution prevention is a big one. The economic impact by preserving the stream. And, of course, the innovative technology. Although passive, it's doing a great job and doing it at a very low cost. But the important thing here that I want to applaud everybody is the teamwork. It's really important that all of us work together for a better environment. Not only does it help the environment, it also helps the economy. It makes this a more attractive area for people to want to live in and hunt and fish. These are all great features that I think Western Pennsylvania has been a leader in, and you're part of that. And I really applaud everybody's efforts for that. I want to thank Bob. You got an award last year for this, as I understand it. And so this year, we're giving the 08 award to the Sewickley Creek Watershed Association, and I thank Bob Hepler, Ellen, thank you. And we have the award. And I'm kind of running out of hands here. If you can handle the umbrella. All righty. Okay, the wind died down a little bit. And I'd like to present this award to you and all of your membership for the fine work they've done. Thank you. It's well deserved. Thank you. Again, of all of our partners out there, if I didn't remember your name, I'm sorry, but you're all well recognized. Thank you.